Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be learning about how to do this right trigonometry SAT problem, and I got this problem off of Khan Academy. So first of all, let's underline what we've been given. So we know that the large square has a side length of 320, as we can see over here, and we also know that it's a square. Therefore, all of these side lengths are going to be 320, 320, and 320. And we know that sine theta over here is 0.54, cos theta is 0.84, and tan theta is 0.64. And we're trying to find L. So we already know that since sine, we know that a bunch of these triangles are congruent because of triangle congruence. So over here they all have the common side length. So we know that we can form three triangles. There's one triangle right here that we can see. There's a triangle over here. The triangle, let me erase this part. But there are a bunch of triangles, and the hardest part, I would say, is finding what triangles you need to choose. And since we have to find out L, we know that we're going to have to get the difference of something. And in this case, we're going to be finding the difference of certain sides. So that's why I chose the two triangles, because we're going to be finding the leg length of this triangle and the leg length of this triangle and subtracting it to find L. So we already know that these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, if we use CP/CTC, or corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, we know that this is also equivalent to sine theta. So I'm just going to draw the angle congruent sine right here. And now we can use, I'm going to erase the side lengths right now just because we know that it's 320. But now we know that we know all of our data basically, and now we need to utilize it to find the side lengths. So first, let's start off with this triangle over here. So if we have sine theta and we want to find the adjacent side of sine theta, we're going to have to use cosine, because cosine is opposite over hypotenuse. And we have our hypotenuse, which is over here, because we know it's 320. So 320, just draw theta. And we're trying to find the adjacent side. I'm just going to call this A, just for simplicity. So we already know that cos theta is 0.84. So let's create a proportion. 84 over 100 equals, and I'll label this as adjacent, and h will be hypotenuse. So we know 100 is the proportion, or just like the value, because 84 divided by 100 is 0.84. So now we know the hypotenuse we need is 320, and the adjacent side is A. Let me just call this adjacent so we don't get confused and hype. So now we can cross multiply. So we get 100A equals 84 times 320. And if we do that, we get 26,880. And once we divide by 100, we should get 268.8. So we did the first part of this problem, and we found the leg length of this leg. Let me do this in a different color. Found the leg length of this. But we have to find L, so now we still have to find this remaining leg. And then we're going to calculate the difference. So now we can use our resources again, and we know that this side again is 320. And now we're trying to find the opposite side of angle theta. So we have our sine is 0.54, so let's do the same thing. We'll do oppo over hype equals 54 over 100. And now we know our hypotenuse is 320 again, and we have the opposite side. So I'll call this O for now. So now if we do cross multiplication, 100 A equals, let's get our calculator out, 420, 100 or 1,000, 17,280. And once we divide by 100, we got 172.8. So we found the lengths of both sides, and now all we need to do is subtract. .8, and look at that. Conveniently, the decimals cancel out, and we end up with 96. And I believe the answers you could get are 96 and 97. So this is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video, and if I know this is a hard concept to grasp, so if you guys have any questions, please put it in the comments, and for any video recommendations, put it in the comments as well. Thank you.